Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I will share with you VLOOKUP. What is VLOOKUP? VLOOKUP means when you need to find things in a table or range by row. For example, look up price of an automotive parts by the part number, or find an employee name based on their employee ID. This VLOOKUP function says VLOOKUP what you want to look up first and where you want to look up for it. The column number in the range contain the value to return, and then return the approximate or extract much, indicate as true or false or 1 or 0. See, here we need to find a customer name. Here is a customer. We have a order table and customer table, two tables there. Here is customer ID, indicate here customer ID, here customer ID and name. So we need to take from here for customer name. So we can go here, equal VLOOKUP lookup value, which one? Customer ID, this one, comma, lookup range, this range full of them, comma, which column we need a second column, and range lookup here is a true or false, extract much or approximate. We need to extract much because the customer ID equal to customer ID, and then close. Let's see this is our customer name. Here we can change customer name. Okay, but in the VLOOKUP we have some criteria here. If you want to make a one column insert, if you insert one column here, wait, if you insert one column here, okay, check here is nothing because that range is changed. Okay, another one here, customer ID in the customer column is the first column in the customer ID, otherwise it's not working. Okay, so we look up some issues there. Okay, this is the VLOOKUP. So what do we need to do? Equal VLOOKUP and what you want to look up, and then where you want to look up, and column numbers, and indicate as true or false. True means approximate much, and false means exact much. Okay, this is VLOOKUP. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and thumbs up. Thank you for watching.